Hello, respectable audience. Most of the people just see this question and they cancel in their mind 4 and 4, and their answer is 1 by 4. But remember that 1 by 4 is not correct answer, it is wrong. While solving such type of question, we have to move from left to right. Okay, so 4 will be written as it is. This divide can be changed into multiplication, and we have to flip 1 by 2, which will become 2 over 1 or simply 2, and divide by 4 as it is. Now according to PEMDAS, we have multiplication and division. Both have same priority. But we have to move from left to right. What is meaning by left to right? As multiplication is at left and division is at right, we have to handle the operation which is at left first. So multiplication will be carried out first. So 4 times 2 will be equal to 8 divided by 4. Now 8 divided by 4 will be equal to 2. Hence 2 will be our answer